In Spark, you have the ability to allow students, when played in assessment mode, to change or skip answers. You'll notice here at the top of the question, we have numbers. The blue indicates questions that have been answered. The gray indicates answers that have been skipped or need to be answered. The end user can just simply click on the gray, answer that, submit, and change your answer. Let me show you how to set this up in the builder. The first thing is you need to make sure you have assessment mode selected. Then go to Options, and then under the General tab, you'll see Allow participants to skip questions and change answers, and also hide answers scoring until the end of the session. It's also important to note that you can also disable these functions if you so choose. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to support@c3softworks.com.